Good morning! Ginagawa ko yung lunch ni Dan. Pero, dito niya kakainin kasi mamaya pa yung meeting niya. Sabi niya marami pa daw siyang time. So, nakagawa na ako ng isa. Ito, tatlong ganito yung lunch niya. Pero nilagay ko lang siya sa plato kasi nga dito niya kakainin. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko siya ginagawa. So, nilagay ko na dito yung rice paper roll. Ano to? Warm na tubig. Just let it sit there for like 10-15 seconds. Ganito yung itsura niya. Rice paper roll. Or rice paper. Rice paper lang pala. Ito na yung rice paper roll. And then, kapag soft na siya, ilalagay mo siya dito. Oh, and then, ito yung niluto ko kagabi. Meron siyang chicken, capsicum, or capsicum bell pepper. And then, mushroom. Tapos, nilagyan ko din siya ng onions. And then, maglalagay ako ng cucumber at saka carrots. Ito din, sinilice ko na sila kagabi. Maliliit yung pag-slice ko ng carrots kasi leftover lang to from last night's beans. After nyan, maglalagay ako ng avocado. Yung isang half ng avocado, sa tatlong na niya. Rice paper roll. You look great, babe. Good morning. You will have fat rolls today. And then, ilalagay ko na yung spinach. I make sure na parang nasa gitna yung niya. Ito kasi para hindi napopoke yung yung wrap. And then, i-wrap ko na siya. Parang lumpia. Pero, mas mahirap siya sa lumpia kasi pwede siyang mapunit. Pero as long as alam mo na kung ilang seconds siya ilagay or as long as alam mo na kung ano dapat yung consistency, hindi naman siya napupunit. Then, ganyan na. That's it right there. Isa na lang kulang. Kinakain niya to with sweet and sour sauce. Ako naman, tatapusin ko i-prepare yung aking coffee. Na-prepare ko na siya, lalagyan ko lang siya ng whipped cream. And US, tingnan nyo si Rose. Si Rose ay malapit na siyang mamatay. Someone commented on my previous vlog na siya patiwarik. Anong nagagawa nun? Na it keeps it alive? I don't know. I forgot. Pero, yeah, nabasa ko sa comments na daw siya, ibitay si Rose. Kawawa naman si Rose kung ibibitay natin. Whipped cream time. Yummers. Yummers! Kain tayo. And kakainin ko yung Nice na biscuits. Nice pala talaga yung pag-pronounce noon, kaloka. Niloloko lang pala ako the whole time. Sabi niya nice, pero hindi Nice talaga yung pag-pronounce. Ay nako, ewan ko. Pero Nice siya talaga, guys. Ito, Nice. Kaloka tong taong to. I will have my lunch. I'm listening to Simply Ness's video. Ooh. Ininit ko to sa microwave ng 1 minute 30 seconds. And yan yung lunch ko. Ito yung leftover from last night. And I just painted my nails. It's not completely dry yet. Ito yung from SC Nail Polish in the shade Chinchilly. So, ganyan yung tsura niya. I was gonna film today. Like, after I took my shower, I was like, I'm gonna film. But then, my nails looks really nasty. So, I was like, I can't film. Na ganito yung nails ko. So, I painted my nails. And I'm just gonna film tomorrow. I'm just gonna edit today and film tomorrow. So, yeah. Kain muna ako ng lunch. Kain tayo. Guys! Tignan niyo yung mukha ko. Diba sabi ko kanina, hindi ako mag-film. Pero pagkatapos ko ma-paint yung nails ko, and dry na siya. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-film. So, I filmed. And, yeah. I filmed the how I did my makeup in college video. So, yeah, ganito yung makeup ko na nasa college ako. Di ba? Ganda? Ganda lang. Magluluto ako mamaya na dapat siguro tanggalin ko muna itong makeup na ito bago ako mag-vlog, di ba? Pero, magluluto ako mamaya ng clams. Yung, lutuin ko is tinolang halaan. Yes, we'll see how that will go. Hindi pa ako nakatry na magluto ng tinola. Hindi ko pa nag-try na magluto ng merong sabaw. Kasi feeling ko ang hirap kapag mga ganun-ganun. Yung papa ko kasi nagluluto siya. And nagluluto siya ng mga ganun tinola-tinola. Actually, iba yung tawag namin sa Bisaya. Linatan. Yun ba yun? Tinola ba yun? Linatan. Basta, nagluluto na yung papa ko ng mga ganun. And feeling ko napaka-complicated niya. Feeling ko talaga kapag may sabaw, napaka-complicated. Pero sinerch ko sa Panlasang Pinoy kung ano yung mga recipe na pwedeng gawin na gamit yung clams. And nakita ko tinolang halaan. Halaan pala yung clams. Sa Tagalog, hindi ko alam. Pero nakita ko tinolang halaan. And okay naman, madali naman siya gawin, tingnan. So, we'll see. Tingnan natin mamaya. Siguro in 30 minutes or an hour, darating na sa Dan. Yung vlog na in-edit ko still saving. Kaya siguro nasa mood ako mag-film kanina kasi yung vlog ko still saving and wala akong magawa. Kasi like hindi ako maka-edit kasi nga naka-save siya sa editor. Tapos yun, I will wash off this makeup. Ay, wait. Naka-open yung aking vanity. Aray. Ay. Close. Okay, I will just wash my face kasi nakaka-irritate ng contacts kapag meron akong eyeliner sa mata ko. So I'm just gonna remove it. I will pick a winner of the giveaway na I did sa makeup and skincare haul ko kasi yung eye wipe na winner, okay na. Can you please lower down the volume, babe? Thank you. Dito na siya, kumakain na naman. I told them you're eating again. Okay, so ito yung video. I will copy the URL of the video and then I am using the Sandra Sires. I do not know how to read that. But yeah, that. And then it will load the comments. Hindi ko alam kung ilang comments nandun. 1,466 comments. Ano nga ba yung ko dito? Ano yung aking mechanics ng giveaway? Okay. Comment ng kahit na lang. And this is open sa Philippines lang. So, ilo-load na niya lahat ng comments and then I will randomly pick a winner. Okay. So, na-load na niya lahat. Randomly pick a winner. Pearly Rose. I cracked up when you said, pwede mo itong pamakpak na ma-elevate videos. Ate. Okay, so Pearly Rose, you won the giveaway. I hope nasa Philippines ka kasi this is open sa Philippines only. Or if hindi, sana meron kang Philippines address. But Pearly Rose, please email me. Nandun yung email ko sa description box. Congratulations. Do you want to say congrats to Pearly?
Congrats.
Congrats, Pearly. Babe. Magluluto na ako ng dinner. Lulutuin ko yung clams. So, nandito na siya. And sobrang dali lang nito lutuin. I think. Wala kaming ano ba tawag dito? Ginger? Luya? Right? Luya ba yung ginger? Wala kaming ginger na totoo. I mean, yung actual ginger. So, bumili kami ng ground ginger nung the last time na nag-grocery kami. So, I will need that, salt and pepper, water, and spinach and clams. Yun lang ata. We'll see, check ko. Yung first step is I need to boil 3 cups of water. So, yung ginagawa namin kapag kailangan namin mag-boil ng tubig is binaboil namin siya sa kettle kasi mas madali ma-boil sa kettle kaysa dyan. So, i-boil ko siya dyan and then ililipat ko siya dito after na ma-boil niyan. So, yes! Okay, so tapos na siya ma-boil. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito. And then, sabi dun sa recipe, yung sa panlasang Pinay ko pala ito nakuha. Sabi dun sa recipe, after na ma-boil yung tubig, ilalagay mo yung onion at saka yung, ano nga ulit yun to? Ginger. Yeah, ginger. Sabi dun, isang ganito ng ginger, isang thumb. Kaya lang, paano ko yung masasabi? Kasi ano to, ground. Hindi ko alam. So, hihintayin ko lang to na makita ko na mag-boil to dito before ko ilagay to. And yeah, hindi ko alam kung ilang ganito yung gagamitin ko. But whatever, we will figure that out. Okay, so over na boiling na siya. So ilalagay ko na yung onion and then yung ginger. So ilalagay ko lang to. Dami ng onion ko. And then hindi ko alam. 1 teaspoon. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Maybe half a teaspoon. Okay, half a teaspoon na lang ilalagay ko. And then, let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes covered. So, yeah. Cover natin siya. Nasimmer ko na yung onion at saka yung ginger. So, ilalagay ko na yung clams. So, itong clams, ano na siya, boiled na siya. And nakastore siya sa like airtight container. And then, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And then, after nito, lalagyan mo siya ng salt and pepper to taste. And that's it, I think. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung rice. Kakaano lang ng rice, tapos malapit na tumaluto. After na i-simmer mo siya with the clams, lalagyan mo siya ng spinach. So, meron kami ito, isang bag. And then, ilalagay mo siya, tapos lulutuin mo yung spinach like 1 minute ata. It's all ready, my love.
Bullshit.
It is!
Bullshit.
Oh, shut up. It is pretty. Can you taste it?
Yeah, without I should just stick my hand in there.
Yeah, stick your hand in there. I just want you to taste it. Because I added salt. Oh, okay. Here.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah, I was gonna say just taste them. It's gonna be hot. Is it good?
It tastes alright.
What do you mean? Do you like it?
I'm not sure. We'll try. I don't know.
I'll try.
Definitely different.
It is different. I don't think you will like this. You tried something similar to this before and you didn't like it. It definitely needs more flavor. I'm gonna add more salt.
Okay.
Good luck sa aking tinolang halaan. Ganito yung itsura niya. It looks good, but I don't know. Nanood ako ng Bachelor. Gusto ko manalo si Nikki. Ayoko manalo si Alex. I mean, pareho silang mabait, pareho silang maganda, pero mas gusto ko si Nikki. Ganda ng makeup ah! Commercial break! Kaloka! Bagay na bagay silang dalawa. Grabe.
And I was thinking, I just hope that there's this girl that I can connect with. And then I met you. And I think about that moment and where we are now and how much our relationship has developed.
That
What?
doesn't choose that, but yeah.
No?
Coming down this adventure, my family gave us some advice.
Why not?
And that advice was to follow my heart.
Oh, shoot.
And Nikki, I really hope you understand.
Oh.
But my heart is with Alex.
Really?
I knew it. The first guy that goes in never wins. Like, and then we dump this one
Are
first.
you okay?
Yeah.
Aww.
Yeah, I've had a great time. Had a lot of fun.
Oh, shoot.
Thank you for everything. Yeah, I've had lots of fun.
I hope you understand.
Yeah, I love you a lot, and yeah, I love you enough to.
Ah, babe. Inis. Ayoko naman nun. Good morning! Morning pa ba? Oh, 12:07 na. Hindi na morning. Good afternoon! Katatapos ko lang i-film yung intro at saka application part nitong wine lipstick. Because sa haul ko, a lot of you guys said na yes, review it please. So, I'm reviewing it right now. And ganito yung itsura niya sa lips. Let me just turn it off para makakain na ako ng lunch. Oh shoot, I need to edit a video. Kailangan ko i-edit yung ano ko. Okay. Kailangan ko i-edit yung aking makeup, day to night makeup look. Whoa, so bright! It's lunchtime. Guess what I will be cooking? You guess, yes, yes. Tagal ko na din hindi nakakain ito. Yummers. Indomie, mi goreng, hot and spicy. And swatch siya ng lipstick na suot ko ngayon. Yung blush ko over yung blush ko. OA. Blend ko yan mamaya. Pero yeah, kain muna ako ng lunch. Meron akong konting rice dito na tira from kagabi. And yan, noodles, yummers. A vlog, okay?
If you want. I don't have to talk. It's fine.
Pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We're a little late kasi meron siyang late na meeting kanina, but it's okay. And the traffic, is it gonna be crazy, the traffic? No, not bad?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Pupunta sana kami ng Costco today, but hindi natuloy kasi nga meron siyang late na meeting. Pero, yeah. Do you know what we're having tonight? Meatballs?
Pasta meatballs.
Yummers. Sobrang sarap ng meatballs. Parang, meatballs are my favorite. You too?
Meatballs isn't pasta, it's just meat.
Well, pasta and meatballs.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Yeah,
Just-
everyone's favorite.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi ko din strinate yung buhok ko today. Hindi ako nag-apply ng heat at all. Binasa ko siya today and yeah. Ganyan lang siya. Okay lang naman, diba? Bet na bet ko talaga yung Garnier na shampoo. Fructis. Yung triple shine ata yun. Basta ipapakita ko sa inyo sa shower routine ko. Char. Since we didn't go to Costco, so I was just home yesterday and today. That's gonna be a boring vlog. Hi guys! It's dark. Pupunta kami dito sa 24 hours na grocery something. We will get pancakes for tomorrow because he wants pancake for bukas. And yeah, it's already 10:35. Super late namin umuwi. We stayed late, had coffee sa bahay ni mama niya. Umuwi na yung mga kapatid niya, mga ano pa, mga 7:30 pa. Tapos nagstay kami doon, nagchika-chika. Gusto ng mama niya na magstay kami doon. And it's Friday as well, so you don't have to worry about work tomorrow. So yeah. Ooh, hello. Yeah, pupunta kami dito. It's not focusing. Diyan kami pupunta, IGA. So, katabi siya nitong pang-dryer or washer na place. Yeah, we will just get pancake. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
Where is it?
Right
Kailangan
here.
ko pong i-update tong review na to. $2. Save 67 cents. Do you like the greens better or the white wings? Or are you just looking at the price?
This will do for a breakfast.
Oh
as
yeah.
well.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna eat it, just you.
Yeah.
That's cute. It's a
is
really cute one. It's not on sale. We will get my biscuit as well. Yeah, let's just get one.
Just get one,
Yeah. My favorite knees biscuit. Let's go. Nice parking. Very straight parking. I love it. Hello, I just finished updating or closing, final update and closing ng review ko. That so far is pinaka-late na review video ko. Like, pinaka-late na na-close ko na review video kasi when I checked in, my final check-in, I think it was already 11, like 10 past 11. So yeah. Anyway, I will go ahead and wash my face. I will put in a mask today. Gagamitin ko yung... I'm still using my gelato mask kasi kailangan ko siyang ubusin. I don't want to open the other mask that I have before ko ito maubos. So, ubusin ko muna siya. Ito yung pistachio rub-in gelato mask. And then after this, I need to edit my video. My goodness. Hindi ko kasi natapos ma-edit yung day to night makeup look kanina because kailangan ko gamitin yung lapi ni Dan para sa video na yun. So, and nung dumating na siya dito sa bahay, sobrang nagmamadali kami kasi late na nga siya dumating. Tapos may dinner pa. So, hindi ko siya na-edit. But yeah, I'm going to edit that right now. I'm just gonna wash my face because my lips, look at our lips. Super, super dry. I'm not sure if nakita niyo na yung review. Oh my god, what time is it? Dang, 2:30. You guys, it's already 2:30. Ngayon ko lang natapos i-edit yung video ko. So I was editing for like what? 3 hours? Shoot, dang. Inedit ko yung ano ko, day to night makeup look kasi that needs to be up tomorrow night. Ngayon, mamayong gabi, kaloka kasi 2:00 na. Yeah, so, hindi pa siya tapos. Like, tapos na siya, pero kailangan ko pa siyang i-review, tapos i-save. So, yeah. Bukas ko na siya ipa-finalize. And, yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog. I forgot na hindi ko pala siya na-close, so I'm gonna end the vlog now. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and yeah, good morning. Bye.